Hi guys! Baon natin kayo. Baon sa kanya. What would you rate it now? Hindi natin siya rate. Hi guys! So today, magluluto ako ng lomi. Actually, hindi pa nakakatikim or nakakatry si Austin ng lomi. So, ngayon is parang perfect weather siya sa mga soup na ganito or mga noodles na ganito dahil medyo maulan dito guys. August pa lang at meron na kagad kaming ulan dahil nga parang may storm ata sa Southern California which is parang parte siya ng LA ganon. But yeah, hopefully magustuhan niya to. Actually, pa second time ko na itong magawa. Nung first time, parang last week ata ako nagawa ng lomi. Hindi ko akalain na magugustuhan ko din yung niluto ko. Pero ito pala yung gamit ko na noodles. So, ito yung pinaka-wrapper niya, lomi. Tapos, ganito yung itsura niya. So, yan. Medyo matataba na noodles. Tapos, lalagyan ko pala siya ng pork. So, ipiprito ko muna tong pork, tapos tsaka ako gagawin yung pinaka-noodles. Hopefully talaga magustuhan ni Austin. Feeling ko possible na hindi niya magustuhan dahil ng texture. Dahil di ba parang yung texture niya guys, iba. But, papatry natin. Tapos, kakatapos ko lang din palang magluto ng mga meals niya. Nakapag-boiled na ako ng eggs. Tapos, yung taco beef pala yung papabaon ko sa kanya this week. So, yeah. Siya pala is nasa store ngayon dahil bumibili siya ng notebook. So, ayun din pala, hindi kami makakagala sa Panama this year dahil kailangan niya mag-focus sa kanyang exam na itetake sa February. So, bali this September, magfa-fly siya papunta ng Texas para maka-attend siya ng lecture. Kasama niya yung kapatid niya na nasa sa Oklahoma, parehas silang magte-take nung exam sa February. At buti na lang at ayun, meron siya makakasama din sa hotel para mas makakatipid nga din. Pero ayun, yun yung mga ganap pala namin. Tapos ayun, super thankful nga din ako dahil nakapasa din kagad ako sa aking pagdadrive. Dahil yun din yung iniisip ko, kailangan ko nang makapasa sa pagdadrive para makafocus na din. Makafocus na din si Austin sa kanyang pag-aaral. Tuwing weekends lang yung free time niya, tapos ayun nga, napapa-ano lang din siya sa pagtuturo sa akin. Tapos yung pinag-aaralan din namin is 1 hour away. So pagdating namin dito sa bahay, medyo pagod na nga din. Hindi na siya nakakaaral. So yun, super thankful ako dahil makaka-move on na kami sa ibang bagay dahil nakapasa na nga ako. At ayun. So, let's start na guys. Bali, nagpainit na pala ako ng kawali. At, ayan. Lalagay ko na ang ating pork. Igigisa ko muna siya. Ito lang palang cut yung ginawa ko guys. Tapos, parang ipang tatoppings ko lang din siya. Nalagyan ko na pala to ng olive oil. Kaya, lagay naman natin tong pork. So, ayan. Halu-haluin lang natin siya. Ako din siya ng black pepper para lang may kunting lasa, kunting asin. Ito din pala yung pabaon natin kay Austin. So, ayan. Taco mix yung nilagay namin dyan. Tapos, may rotel, yung diced tomatoes, at saka, anong tawag dito? Yung corn kernel. Ayan naman yung mga boiled eggs. Bali, pang 4 days niya to. Tuwing breakfast naman is merong free sa hotel. So, doon na lang siya kumakain. Tapos, ito kinakain niya pag lunch at dinner. First time namin itry na lagyan ng vinegar yung habang binoboil namin siya. Nilagyan namin siya ng 1 tablespoon ng vinegar para mas madali siyang talupan or alisan ng balat. Pero, ayan, medyo nakatulong naman siya ng konti, pero ayan, medyo mga sira-sira pa din. Ooh. Just one. So, ayan na pala guys. Luto na ang ating meals. So, napak ko na din itong iba. Are you ready for the lomi?
I guess.
Got no choice, yeah.
Yeah, it looks interesting.
Ang ating pabaon sa kanya. 8 meals. Ayan, dahil luto na ang ating pork. So, ito na palang ating pork. Magigisa na tayo ng sibuyas. Tapos, lalagyan natin ng toyo. Tapos, yung... Dahil wala ako nung pork broth, maglalagay na lang ako ng Knorr cubes. Uy. And painit lang natin siya. Meron na din pala akong nakahanda na. Chopped na. Lagay lang natin ang ating sibuyas. Hindi ako magaling guys magluto ha. Tansya-tansyahan lang. Yan natin ang okay na yan. Ng tubig. Pwedeng tubig, tapos yung ibang nilalagay is, if meron silang kaldo, yun ang nilalagay. Dahil wala ako nun, maglalagay na lang ako nito. Knorr cubes. So, yan. Pulo na siya, kaya lalagay na natin to noodles. Ito lang lulutuin natin.
Hiwalayin natin to. Doon ko din siya ng paminta or black pepper. Tapos, halo lang ulit.
Starch na may tubig. Add lang natin siya dyan.
Tapos, halo lang ulit natin.
Then, add tayo ng egg.
Nagmumukha na sa lomi, guys.
Ito na pala guys, ang ating loming Batangas. So, yan. Ito yung kay Austin, yung may boiled egg. So, ito yung akin. Hopefully, magustuhan niya. Nag-aaral pa siya ngayon, kaya papalamig-lamigin lang namin to ng konti, tapos kakain na kami. So, kain tayo, guys. Austin's first time trying the lomi.
Try.
Yep. Like, I want Anna's reaction, okay?
No, it's pretty good.
No, like, for real.
Mm-hmm.
Like, try the noodles. And try it with this.
Like, how do I try it with that?
You put it there if you want to. There's like lime in here too. So, first time pala guys ni Austin kumain ng lomi. This is called lomi in Batangas.
Lomi?
Yeah, loming Batangas.
Okay, so how do I put that in here?
You can just like
I'll watch you first.
like this.
Okay.
Yeah. Just like okay salty.
Yeah,
That's good.
that completely changes the flavor of it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What would you rate it though? Like, I want Anna's rating.
I give that like an 8. You should definitely make this again.
Oh really?
Mm-hmm.
I thought you're not gonna like it because of the texture.
No, it's good. I like the noodles.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We bought it in Island Pacific.
Thank you, Island Pacific. You have all the good stuff.
Yeah, and actually, like, the first time that I did this, like, the texture is more like, I think I did a lot of, like, cornstarch. And this time, like, I think it's better. And the taste is way better. I don't know why.
Yeah, I should make this again.
I thought about making this because of the weather. It's kind of like raining. And this is like,
This is what you
for
like
Philippines,
yeah.
what we eat when it's like raining. Mga taga Batangas dyan, say hi to the people in Batangas. This is your first time eating this, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Called lomi. I don't know the English term, if there is.
Did you scramble up the egg and then kind of like pour it in? And yeah. It kind of looks like egg drop soup a little bit.
I was about to tell you maybe it's like egg noodle something. It's good?
Yeah.
Yay! That's good, guys. Nagustuhan niya.
I think I almost need a fork though.
But this is kind of soup. I put lumpia as toppings, like fish balls, like the kikiam. I'm not sure if you've already tried the kikiam.
Did you use the breadcrumbs in this?
No.
No. That's for the other one?
Yeah, that's for the embutido. So maybe I'll make the embutido like Friday. Yeah, that way Saturday you're gonna be here.
You might want to make it on Wednesday.
Why?
Because if you mess up, you can fix it by Friday.
That's what I was thinking. Like, I want to make it first. This is why I made the lomi first when you're not here. That way I can like fix it. Okay, I'll fix it. I'll do the first ground beef first because we have 2. Yeah?
Yeah, that works.
Yeah.
Because then you don't have to ever tell me you made it. And then Friday be like, this is the first time, I swear. I wish I could take this to work. I was looking up hotels that had like kitchenettes. Not over where I'm working.
Oh, and yeah, they put chicken liver too for toppings here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Do you think would you eat that?
I mean, I'd give it a try.
I'm so proud. This is so good. I can't believe I made this.
Doing good.
Been learning. Been a year.
Yeah?
Yeah. Been a year being here.
So far it's been lumpia, bulgogi, shomai,
Sisig.
sisig. We haven't had sisig in a while.
Adobo.
Adobo,
Caldereta.
caldereta, sinigang.
Shomai.
I already said that one.
Lumpia.
Sinigang. I already said that one. It's the first one I said.
Sinigang.
Sinigang.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Which is your favorite one?
Yes.
Do you think that's still your favorite?
Yeah, still my favorite. I like the shomai though.
Yeah, shomai.
Now you just need to do shopao.
Siopao. Your favorite too. Good for dinner?
Yeah. Perfect.
Yeah, next time for you to try is the embutido.
And that's the like
Grilled.
log looking thing.
The what?
The log looking thing. The steamed beef.
Yeah. Steamed pork.
Should you like poke holes in that so the fat can drain out? The grease. That way the grease can come out.
Maybe. I'm gonna ask my brother. I think he knows how to make it. Yeah, my brother, whenever like his coworkers like sell it, he would buy a bunch. Guys, finish it.
It's good.
High five, my Filipino guy.
Good cooking on it.
Would you eat it again?
Yeah,
No.
for sure.
Bye. Thank you for watching.
Here I am with paint all over my shirt.
I know. So, ayun guys, nagustuhan niya. I'm so kind of shocked that you like it.
It's good, yeah. I've had that flavor before though. I just can't like.
Remember?
Yeah.
We've never had lomi in Philippines though. We've never had tang. Maybe it's different thing, but yeah. Hey guys! So, trash day bukas, kaya nilalabas ko na yung mga basura namin. Usually, si Austin yung gumagawa nito. Dahil gusto niya, siya yung nag-take out ng trash. Dahil minsan medyo mabigat nga. Pero this time, ako muna dahil busy siyang nag-aaral. So, umaambon din ngayon. At ito. Ito ay sa black trash. Bukas, may recycle at black trash sila. So, lagyan natin siya dito. Medyo mabaho na din to. Lagyan natin siya sa may daan. Natin siya dito. Ito ding blue. Yan. Tapos i-wait lang natin. Medyo umaambon ngayon, guys. Bye. Easy yarn. Gusto ko na manood.